Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to take screenshots on Windows 10 PC, Windows 10 operating system. First, when you install Windows 10 on your computer, it comes with a program called Sniping Tool. So you simply click on the start icon, the Windows icon, and you look for Sniping Tool list, or you can simply search for it. So when we search for Sniping Tool, here it is. So you click on it and then here it opens. So now when you have your Sniping Tool open, you can take a screenshot of anything. You can take a screenshot of this empty screen desktop, or you can open a program and take screenshot. So let's try out first example, taking a screenshot of this screen. So first we click on new, and then you'll see the icon changes, and then I'll simply snipe this, and then we save it. Let's save this as screen 1. By default it is saved as a PNG image. So next let's minimize this, and then let's try to open another program. Say for example I'm going to open VS Code. So once it is open, we come back to our Sniping Tool and we click on new, and then we take the screenshot of the screen that we want, and then we can save it as screen 2, and then save. So guys, basically that's how you take screenshots using Sniping Tool. So here are the screens we captured. We have screen 1 and screen 2. So you can open it. It opens as an image. And then we also have screen 2. You can open this as well, and it's also an image. So you can share this to whoever you want to share it to. So guys, basically that's how we take screenshots using Sniping Tool on Windows 10 PC. So if you have a Windows 10 computer, has or no more, this is the simplest way to take screenshots. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.